Robin Akarmani? What a wonderful response. Honored guests, the representatives of Valley Outsourcing here today, and also to our friends from Lowe's, Australia, that have been quite instrumental in what is unfolding today at the school. To the esteemed community leaders, parents, teachers, and most importantly, the wonderful children present here today and the members of the media. Nisa Mbula Maleka or Mbula Binaka, and a very warm welcome to you all. Today is a very special day for our communities, a day where we witness the power of partnership, generosity, and the spirit of giving. It is with great joy and gratitude that we are here to officially hand over the first of about $1.5 million worth of brand new children's clothing to communities across our beloved nation. This remarkable donation is made possible through collaboration between Valley Outsourcing and an Australian-owned company and its Suva-based business, and Lowe's, one of their biggest clients. Valley Outsourcing is based in Manoa, providing outsourcing services in debt collection and other services to customers around the globe, including Australia. It is businesses like Valley Outsourcing that essentially strengthen economic ties between Fiji and Australia, and more importantly, contribute to the well-being of our people through employment, and in this case, through wondrous donations. As a government, we recognize outsourcing as an instrumental part of the endeavor to grow and diversify the Fijian economy. With businesses like Valley and the recent partnership with Google into Fiji, we are seeing a shift towards a more diversified economy, and more importantly, a shift to technologically based businesses. These investments and partnerships bring employment opportunities to our people, allowing us to tap into global industries while ensuring sustainable growth at home. The coalition's government is fully committed to expanding the outsourcing sector, and we are working closely with industry leaders to create an enabling environment for companies to thrive, attract more investors and businesses like Lowe's, to ensure that Fiji not only becomes the hub for talent and skills, but a nation of innovation and opportunity. As I had mentioned to the children, there are some challenges in Fiji. We have talked quite recently about the AIDS epidemic, the drug crisis in our country. But my ask of the students today is to appreciate the gift that Lowe's has brought to the school and just simply study hard. Leave it to the adults and to politicians to sort out the issues that are in our country, and trust me, they will be resolved. And that way, we can gift a better country to our children who come after us. Most recently, we have been talking about a constitution, a revised constitution, maybe a new constitution, who knows, and even truth and reconciliation. And in our view, certainly the People's Coalition's view, these are necessary building blocks that we as leaders must resolve or must address if there is any hope or if there's any willingness on our part to hand a better country to the children that have been singing wonderfully before us. To the students here today, to our young people, Kamikamica, this donation of school uniforms is not just about clothing. It is about opportunity and empowerment. Having the right resources enables you to focus on what truly matters, your education. And I urge you all, study very hard. Your education is your passport to a better life, and we want you to make the most of it. Navuli and na kota mai na vesi regi kamni nangone na nomuni passporte and na ve kavinaka ni binakata mbaleti tamamu kitinamu na nomu Manoa ke na Manoa biti. I encourage you all to work hard, dream big, and pursue your goals with passion and determination. You have the power to change your future, to uplift your families, and to make this world a better place than when you found it. Every great leader, entrepreneur, and professional started as a student, and all of us can attest to that. With dedication, perseverance, and the support of your families and teachers, you can achieve whatever you set your mind to. The world is full of opportunities. Fiji needs bright and innovative minds to lead the way into the future. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Bubale Outsourcing and Lowe's for their generosity and commitment to Fiji. This partnership is an example of what can be achieved when businesses and communities come together for a common good. Let us continue to work together. Let us continue to build a prosperous Fiji and, of course, create a brighter future for our children. Nasa Walevu, may God bless Fiji, may God bless the children here today. Ngaga sa katigo na bono na bugimbuke, kira na kanakawa, sa nungumastigo. E na laulay may dakanikua, nananakuna na kabinaka. E biki mando sa kaya na bugimbuke na bisik ni matak. Dumani tikina, sa kalib sa katigo na babinimnaka, and songo maya the Tigunikuwa. We thank you for your generosity of spirit and welcome us here today. You came in Nangone, Kindona need to taki and Damituka Nivengo, Nidaka Meroni Nganga, Nomuni Vanua, Nomuni Bubale, Kena Nomuni Mbula and Dundua, and a basic Nimitak. Nasa Walev. Ya, kalau nggak tadi kena kontribuli. Naka.